मेरे को नहीं बोला hello.
Okay, one more time. Hi, Bhagya.
Hi, Pramod.
So, Vijay, quick question. Okay, we're already recording. All right, fine. Great.
Yeah. Can we start? We
Hera
started.
wants to say hello, Bhagya.
Hi.
All right.
Yeah.
Are
Let's
we
start
good to
today's.
go, or do we want to wait for another minute or two?
No, we are ready to go. No problem.
Okay, Vijay, you're the host.
Yes.
I will follow your rules.
Because it's only 40 minutes, that's why we are starting.
All right, great. Firstly, I would like to thank Vijay for giving the opportunity to go out and speak and reach out to people who are probably asking for this. Thanks for being that space of creation. What else is possible that we haven't yet considered here? And thank you for everyone who has joined. And let's see what shows up and what space of contribution can all of us be to create something greater than what we have created so far. How does it get better than this? Before we get going, quick request, take a moment to be completely present with your bodies in your space. Recognize if there's any barriers. I would request you to just simply lower the barriers, be ready to receive. And any projections, expectations, conclusions that you all may have about what this is going to create, what is the topic, and everything and anything that has already shown up that you're looking for, which may not get you to receive anything and everything that everybody here on this call is looking to provide and contribute. Can we just try and get all of that? Thank you. Good and bad at now. Okay, we're good to go. So the interestingly, the topic that came up was commitment, and like most of the titles, I choose them myself. So the two words that synonymously showed up with that word commitment were freedom and lockdown. So which of those words does actually resonate or sync with all of you on the call? Is it one? Is it both? Is it none? I'd like to just get that sense.
Freedom.
Freedom.
Yeah.
Who said that, please? Sanju. Okay.
Sanju.
Okay.
For me, also freedom, because I don't believe in lockdown at all. Like, this is how I live. So for me, it's like everyday thing, So yes, freedom.
Okay.
Freedom, yes.
Awesome. Hey, can I request all of you to not have any self-judgments and please show up on the camera? It just helps to look at more faces than more blank tiles. Okay. So interesting. Okay. No lockdown. Freedom. Okay. Truth. For how many of you
For me, it's both.
is it lockdown?
Yeah, for
Okay, there
me,
we go.
it's.
Hi. Who is it, Sanju? Hi. Okay. All right. So interestingly, after that, Bhagya has been a teacher and she uses words with utmost care, concern, and choice. So I interestingly went and just before the call, I looked it up. I said, these are the two words that came to me. And is there any other definition in the history of that word that I may not know? And I was actually quite impressed with following my awareness, because literally one of the words that is synonymous with commitment is lockdown, which is when you get committed to an institution, right? Either because you're mad or because you're jailed away. So that's one form of a lockdown. So that's literally being committed. The other one that, of course, the one other common thing that we know of is a pledge that you make or an obligation that is there. So that's one form of commitment. Like I'm not sure if it happens in all forms of companionship, and here I mean marriage in particular, in whichever form it is done. Are you willing to be committed to this? Right. So that's one form of commitment where it's a pledge. For some, it becomes a pledge. For some, it becomes an obligation. And for the other part, which is a freedom, it's about I'm committed to this means I'm in charge. I'm taking charge of this. It also, so it's basically that, right? I'm here in charge. I'm committing to it. So the place where I came from when I chose commitment is in this current period where so much is happening for everybody, and at some point or the other, all of us have gone through this space where we feel that whatever commitments we made, we're not able to fulfill. For example, EMIs. EMI is one of the bigger things for most people who are probably in their own business, who are not employed, right? So that's a commitment. That's the first thing that a lot of people were scared of, were afraid of, and said, how are we going to fulfill these commitments? But the other part also is about how do we fulfill the commitments we have towards our family? Where are we going to generate this from? Where are we going to be able to manage all of these things? Is this resonating with you folks? The either end of both of these. How what you perceive, what you make as your point of view with regards to that word can actually change it. Is being committed giving me freedom, or is being committed causing me to lock myself down in this where I'm actually jailing myself? So is there anybody here? I generally speak about the tools of Access. Is there anybody here who's not from Access Consciousness? Okay, looks like most folks are aware of Access Consciousness. So here's what I would like to ask you all to look at. So everywhere we have gone into the opposite end of what commitment means to us, and everywhere we have concluded what commitment can we just for that? Couldn't. Where we are using the stop and pull us back, what else is commitment, or with the commitments that we have made? Can we just try and say all of that? Good, right now for conscious work. So where are we unwilling to look at the gift of the commitment we have made, just keeping us down and come here and then ask, is that sound and we not think you may really all and are now willing to we may have there's no fear here.
And so I think we're talking about.
Okay, so is commitment something that you have made as a choice and you're willing to have the choice of what it creates, or have your commitment created an obstacle, a stoppage, and literally that's the question. What have we made that we're unwilling to acknowledge, which if we did would open up a whole new reality for us? Everything that is can be destroyed and created also. Good and bad right now, for online shots for and beyond. So when we're committed, let's talk about the freedom aspect of it. When we are committed to something, what does it look like? I don't think it looks like silence. Anybody wants to say?
It looks like bondage.
What does commitment look like?
It looks like bondage. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it feels like how do you think? No, what? But how that?
Okay. So it appears we are unwilling to look at what your government gave us. Every we have put it as what that means is keep us in the lockdown for now and for the future. Are we willing to do that? Right now, talking about online stuff. So different thing. Okay. Every time you some hold up, holding bond.
Yeah.
No, I
You feel like you drive with breath of life.
for how long is such a simple and every to admit ourselves all of these. That one for your commitment finding PLT who I have to my life. That's never going to blame and I'm trying to understand. Goodbye.
I have a question. Yeah. What is the difference between responsibility? Is there a connection on the art showing up in his meeting?
Committing to things like that. Thanks, Bhavya. So, if it's right to when it's responsibility, once it is, there was really something to it. So, where has that and like really by the types of accuracy and be able to certificate from every month, everything that is can be displayed. So, let me explain a bit. Would we agree that we have to choose to be business content? Most people are choosing to during and better to talk about this and now the call. So being connected to a certain to me or not be making my life. How the requirement that we have as a business, what is role that play? What we choose because it's something that those are impelled on us, which really is right. None of it, but we don't. So that we want to make them love that. We make to have. So if there is a and also make that not be correct. Now to be it is from not because to be the effect of have able as a procedure as the amendment. In this significant to in subcontinent, the role of a wife is so that way one function is that is the family that we I'm that is the company. Yeah. So we say now I have to continue to play or I to be who I truly adjust. That's the why it comes to me. Would you like to now adjust? That is may be or the being superior. So the daughter by then this no are you and if the mother-in-law says ma'am without me now it comes to level there is no stratification different the upper strata low and by that we will every strategy be what we and then when two things when two from the what will to work or be satisfied the daughter or the mother is looking down at the daughter to come so how action are we from
yes please. Yeah, that is
as the choice that we have in I think that is become powerless.
yes please.
Anyway, anything to get willing what choice I have to look every time what do I have here I looked at I looked at what she choose it have that quickly I make
no comment says no when I say that I'm committed till the end that the work is done or the task is done no, you let business if I'm going to complete it even if I'm choosing something else you have and then let's come
if you want to take action I don't so what is that when okay I made now at that time you please can sitting out by their prayers
yeah when the child in week going you know other than you can find my way correctly I mean
that's also
it's committed
not a good language this is another my giving of touch down oh I slowly but there was another